First go to the file and choose open. Select this apple image, click open. Now hold Ctrl key and hit the plus button to zoom in. Then press Ctrl J to duplicate the same layer into a separate layer. Take the quick selection tool and select the apple stem in this manner. Then press the layer mask option below, select the bottom layer, go to the adjustment layer options and choose Hue saturation adjustment layer. Select this hand tool, pick the color of red and adjust it in this manner. Let's see the final result.